to the CHINAPLAS 2021. I am Amelia, and today I'm so happy to share with the information with all of you. And now, welcome to the booth of the Industry 4.0 application of the Factory of the Future. And with the society and economic development, the Industry 4.0 application has been realized in Asia for the recent years. And in this time, this event is being upgraded. And now let's invite our principal of the iPress 4.0, Ansel, come here to share information with us. Hello, Ansel, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hello everyone, hello,
yeah,
hello, hi.
Can you introduce our factory to us?
So, yes, this is Industry 4.0, Factory of the Future.
Yeah.
This is an event following from the Industry 4.0 conference, which was organized a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
And then we said that, okay, we need to have a physical location that we can show how digitalization can be applied in the real world. So, we are very happy today that we managed to get all the top guns, top partners, to come together to unveil a total of 9 digitalization synopsis.
Yeah.
And this 9 digitalization synopsis will basically cover different aspects of how digitalization can be applied to solve various problems that we have within the supply chain.
Yeah.
So this is basically what we have today.
Okay. So show me around
let me
the
show you
machine.
what we have put in place.
Okay, let's go.
So when we talk about Industry 4.0, I think many plastics converters, they are now saying that no, I need to buy new machines. There's a lot of huge investment, and the return on investment can be very, very high. So on the right hand side is actually a machine from LK.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this machine is actually manufactured in 2010 during May.
Wow.
So this machine
It's
has been
history, right?
about 11 years.
Yeah.
So we then say that the prerequisite of smart manufacturing has to be process stability, stabilization, automation, digitalization, and smart manufacturing.
Yeah.
So what we have done to this machine is that first step, we have actually upgraded the controller. So we have changed a new controller to allow us to tap the signal using the OPC UA communication protocol.
Yeah.
So it's the first step that we have done. But then if the machine is unable to produce good parts, then I think digitalization cannot do the magic. So what we have done is that we have changed the drive system into a servo pump. We have upgraded the charging hydraulic motor into a servo as well. So this allows us to have parallel motion, which is simultaneous charging and more opening and closing.
Okay.
And this is also helping us to reduce the energy consumption and giving us more precision in the injection process. So what we have done next is that, it's not practical to say that we can upgrade an existing 10-year-old machine to make it super efficient like a new machine.
Yeah.
But we can then bring it to a level whereby this machine can start to do small batch production, so we call it mass customization. So how can I upgrade an existing machine to a certain level, tap the digital signal from this machine, hook it on to an e-commerce platform whereby this machine is able to produce more higher value product for the end customer. So this is the scenario that we're trying to show here. Let me show you the other one.
Another one machine.
So this is a machine produced by Izumi in Guangdong, and it's really becoming more and more difficult for us to hire people on the shop floor. We're talking about general workers, it's difficult, but I think technician is even more difficult with younger generation not willing to come into manufacturing. So how can we use digitalization to make a machine smarter, that we have less reliance on technician, or the smart system can also be a smart assistant to the existing technician. So this is what Izumi is trying to showcase during this exhibition. Let's take a look at this. Something which I like a lot. How can we make a machine a friend on social media? This is what Cross Mafai is trying to showcase this time with their proprietary invention called social production. Typically, when we have a machine downtime, it takes a lot of time for you to find the correct people, correct technician, and even when the correct technician is on site, it takes a long time to find what is the root cause of this particular issue. And then it also has to go into another system to contact the manufacturer to fix it. So with social production, what they have done is that they have they have now made a machine into a social network whereby there is machine, there is user, and there's also manufacturer.
Yeah.
And with some kind of AI algorithm factor into this system, I can basically tell you that, look, I'm machine number 5, I'm now having a problem.
Yeah.
Please come and take a look. But I suspect I'm having problem with this and this. So this allows the technician on the ground, when arrive on site, that he doesn't have to waste a lot of time doing root cause analysis. He can then follow step 1, step 2, and step 3 to solve a particular problem. And if this problem cannot be solved, within the same platform, he can then contact the manufacturer whether to order a spare part or whatsoever. So I think this greatly reduces the machine downtime with application of digitalization. And I think Industry 4.0 is not talking about 1 and 0 in the cloud. It's talking about how we can smartly apply data to make smart decisions to drive efficiency throughout the production shop floor.
Yeah, after hearing you introduction, the machine, I feel it's so amazing.
Yes, yes.
So intelligence of our technology, right? So if our audience, if you are interested for our 4.0, the factory of the future, you can come here and visit our factory by yourself. And also our online friends who are interested in our video, and also you can on the CHINAPLAS platform to review our video. Okay, thank you again, Anton.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.